Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Garageband and creating a new project. This lets you control tempo, key, and time signature up front. Tap plus and select an instrument, keyboard if you want chords, or audio recorder for vocals. Once done, name the project and check input levels. Make sure your mic or interface shows signal without clipping. You'll save time later by confirming metronome settings and loop browser options now. Because accurate settings keep editing simple and recordings consistent. Now you record and build the arrangement. Start a bass track with the metronome on so timing stays tight, and then add layers, drums, bass, guitar, or synth, one at a time. Once recorded, use trim and split to remove mistakes and apply quantize to tighten timing where needed. Use automation to shape volume and effects over time, and mute or solo tracks to focus on parts. Make small, repeatable passes so each layer sits well in the mix. Finish by mixing and exporting your song. Balance levels, apply EQ to remove mud or harshness, add reverb sparingly, and use gentle compression on the master to glue tracks. Once satisfied, tap Share, choose Song, pick file type and quality, then export or save to files. If playback or export fails, check Quick Fixes. Ensure tracks aren't muted, verify audio input source, confirm Garageband has microphone permissions, and restart the app. These steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.